Hey, in this video I'll show you how to make a club on Clubhouse app, and it is actually the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to help you out. What you want to do is obviously go on Clubhouse, and right now to create a playlist, you want to click on your profile icon, click on the settings right here. Go down, click on FAQ contact us. Here it will generate this page. You want to go to how can I start a club, and from there it will say you can find the club request here, so you can request to find a club, to create a club, and then you have to fill in this form: club name, club category, description, full name, username, title of the regular meetup, date, email address, comments, and submit your request. If you're an influential figure, chances are you get a club. They're reviewing a lot of applications right now. So yeah, if this video helped you out, give me a like. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.